Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into ProtonVPN fast fix step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the ProtonVPN website URL in the address bar. Press enter to navigate to the ProtonVPN homepage. Once the page loads, look for the login button, usually found at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate a password reset. After entering your credentials, double-check for accuracy. Then, click the Login button to proceed. If your login is successful, you will be redirected to your ProtonVPN dashboard. In case of an error, review your email and password. Make sure that the caps lock is off, as passwords are case sensitive. If you are still having trouble logging in, consider checking your internet connection. If necessary, try clearing your browser cache and cookies. You can also attempt using a different web browser. Once logged in, you can start managing your VPN settings and preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.